Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. And what is the difference between their 1000th terms? So we have two AP. So to differentiate the first AP and second AP, I am going to use two different symbols. So for first one, I just take a small a, maybe I call as a 100, that is equal to a plus 100 minus 1 times d, okay, or that is equal to a plus 99d. I call this equation number 1. This is a 100, that is equal to a plus 99d. Now for the second AP, I want to use a different term. So maybe I use a capital A here. So capital A 100, this is for the second AP. That is equal to the first term of the second AP plus n is 100 minus 1 times d. I use a capital D here. So in this case, I have the answer a plus 99d. Okay, capital A 100. And what they said now, the two ABs have the same common difference. D is equal. That means what? So in the equation 1 and 2, I have the value small d is equal to capital D. Small d is equal to capital D. Now I am going to find the difference between 100 terms of the first AP and 100 terms of the second AP. So for this I use a symbol a 100 minus capital A 100. So the meaning is what happened? I am finding the difference between first AP's 100th term and the second AP 100th term. So in this case, first is a plus 99d minus a plus 99d. Okay, so when you expand this one, I have the equation a plus 99d minus a minus 99 capital D. So as per the question given here, small d is equal to capital D. The difference is common. Okay, so now in this case, I have a plus 99d minus a minus 99. Instead of capital D, I am writing small d here. So that what happened, the 99 plus 90d and minus 99d both cancel each other. And finally, we have an expression small a minus capital A. So that is the a 100 minus a capital 100 equal to small a minus capital A. And what is given in the question? The difference between the 100 term is 100. Question is 100, they given this one. That means what? The difference between these two is equal to 100, that is equal to a minus capital A. So I call this as the equation number 3. So what is equation number 3? A difference between 2 AP is 100, already given, and from this I got the equation a minus a. Now what is asking is, what is the difference between their 1000th term? And remember here, the difference is common. They have the same common difference. So in this case, I am going to the next part here. I am going to find the 1000th term of the first AP, that is equal to a plus 1000 minus 1 times small d, that is equal to a plus 999d. So that is a 1000. In the second AP, I have an equation like this way, a 1000, that is equal to capital A, the first term of the second AP, plus 1000th term minus 1 and the difference d, or that is equal to the 1000th term of the second AP equal to a plus 999d. Okay, so maybe this is a closing bracket d. Now I have to find the difference between these two. Okay, so that is equal to a 1000 minus capital A 1000. That is equal to, what is the first equation? A plus 999d minus capital A plus 999d. So when you expand this one, what happened? A plus 999d minus a minus 999 capital D. Since as per the question, both AP have the same common difference. So small d equal to capital D. Therefore, this equation is written as A plus 999D minus A minus 999 small d. Instead of capital D, I am writing small d here. So now both the term is getting cancelled. So I just use this one. So this and the other thing got cancelled. Finally, we have this one, A minus capital A. So what is A minus capital A? A 1000 minus A 1000, capital A 1000 is equal to A minus A. Now, by compare the previous one here, what we found, equation 3, small a minus capital A equal to 100. Small a minus capital A equal to 100. That is the third equation we found. So from equation 3, what we found is the difference between 1000 terms of the 2AP is equal to 100. Okay, so that means what happened? The difference is 100 always, whether it's 1000 term or 2000 term or any term, it will be 100 only.